How to fix missing eye profile view on TikTok. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply fix this missing eye profile view on TikTok. So first of all, what you're going to do is open up the TikTok application on your mobile phone devices. Go into the profile option that is at the right below bottom corner of your screen. When you'll go there, eventually this kind of screen is going to pop up, in which you're going to look for eye icon that would be right just beside this three bar icon at the top right screen. So if you don't have it, you don't have to worry about this. Go into the inbox option that is at the bottom of the screen, at the left bottom just beside the profile icon. Here I tapped into the inbox option. Now what you're going to do is you're going to look for the notifications only from the TikTok. I see, or I'll try to find out any notification or anything that is related to missing eye profile view. And it's quite okay if you don't find it. You have to just close down your TikTok application. You're going to go into the Play Store. You're going to write TikTok, and you're going to just update that uh, install TikTok application. Once you have installed or updated that TikTok, hopefully this eye icon would appear here. The function of this eye icon is to preview or to give you insights of how many people or views have been there on your TikTok profile. So this is how it is. It is very simple, and you just have to follow the simple steps that I have told you or mentioned. If you guys like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, peace.